Having the right laptop can completely change your performance as a student. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best laptops for students, so you'll never have to suffer with a laptop that crashes on you or is too slow to use again. The only issue is that a laptop might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most laptops are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations, so regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect laptop for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. First on my list is the Dell XPS 13, my choice for the best student laptop for most people. The Dell XPS 13 has a great combination of features to cover a student lifestyle, so let's take a look and see what makes it the best option for most students. The XPS 13 is great on the go since it's both really thin at only 55 millimeters and also lightweight, making it easily portable. The design is minimalist and it looks really slick, yet it's very durable since it's made with machined aluminum. It also comes in a choice of 2 really attractive modern nature-inspired colors, so the XPS is a winner when it comes to portability and looks. It is also terrific when it comes to display with a 13.4-inch Infinity Edge screen with a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080. The display has 500 nits of brightness and the images are really sharp, making it perfect for students who need to work on projects or presentations for extended periods of time. The thin bezels also make for a more immersive viewing experience, which is great for streaming your favorite TV shows or movies. The Dell XPS 13 also has a great battery life, with up to 12 hours of usage on a single charge, which is also a major plus. And it comes with a fast charging feature, allowing you to charge the laptop up to 80% in just 1 hour. Now, in terms of performance, the Dell XPS 13 is built with a 12th gen Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 512GB of solid-state drive. It operates with Windows 11, so with this power, you're well equipped to handle all of your demanding tasks. The laptop features a backlit keyboard that's really comfortable to type on, even in dimly lit places, so it's great for note-taking or writing assignments. As an added plus, it also has dual stereo speakers and supports graphics with the Iris Intel Xe graphics card. The XPS 13 provides a winning overall package of features, including easy portability, a terrific display and processing power, plus it comes in on the lower end of the price range, so it's the laptop that is the best choice for most students. Next on my list is the HP Spectre X360, my choice for the best 2-in-1 laptop for students. Now, when it comes to versatility, the HP Spectre X360 is a standout. It's a powerful 2-in-1 with great performance, and that power and versatility make it a great choice for students. For a lifestyle on the go, the Spectre is a great choice because it's light, weighing in at less than 3 pounds, and also really durable, so it travels well in your backpack. But where it really shines is the versatility of having both a tablet and a laptop in one device. With its 360 rotation and kickstand options, you can be sure to be able to position the Spectre in a comfortable position and easily change it up when you need it to. The Spectre also packs a punch under the hood. With an Intel Core i5, 8GB of RAM, and 512GB of internal storage, you'll rarely find yourself underperforming, even for performance-heavy tasks. A high-quality display is really important, and the Spectre X360 has you covered with its OLED paneling featuring 400 nits of brightness and a 1920 by 1280 resolution. With a 3:2 aspect ratio, rich colors, and excellent brightness, you'll love Spectre's display for your projects and for watching movies or your favorite shows. Battery life is outstanding on the Spectre with up to 16 hours of continuous use with a full charge. It is an outstanding achievement by HP for a 2-in-1 laptop of this caliber. Now, when it comes to video, whether it be for online classes or otherwise, the Spectre delivers. It features an HP True Vision 5 megapixel camera with an appearance filter, backlight adjustment, and a privacy shutter camera shutter to help you look your best. HP's Spectre X360 is a fantastic 2-in-1 laptop that offers great versatility as both a laptop or in its tablet form. It also has the power, display, and other features that really work for the student lifestyle. Next on my list is the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED, my choice for the best student laptop for the money. The Asus Zenbook 14 OLED is a top choice laptop for students because it has great features including all the necessities, but it also comes with a budget-friendly price tag, making it a great value for the money. The 14-inch 14-inch OLED touchscreen display is a really great feature of the Zenbook. It has a 16:10 aspect ratio and produces vibrant colors and deep blacks that make everything look amazing. With a resolution of 2880 by 1800 and 550 nits of brightness, it is perfect for students who need to work on projects, research, or just take notes in class. Now, when it comes to performance, the Zenbook 14 OLED is no slouch. It comes equipped with a 13th gen Intel i7 core processor, which is more than enough power to handle everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming videos, and even some light gaming. It also has an Intel Iris Xe graphics, which provides great visuals for multimedia work. One of the most important aspects of a laptop for students is battery life, and the Zenbook 14 OLED really delivers. With up to 18 hours of battery life, you won't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of a lecture or study session. Plus, it has fast charging technology that can get you up and running in no time. Now, the keyboard function is really essential, and the Zenbook 14 is top-notch in that area. Its backlit keyboard is comfortable to type on and has good key travel, which makes it easy to type out long essays or reports. Now, additionally, it has an integrated number pad, which is perfect for students who need to do a lot of calculations. All of these features come in a thin and lightweight design that makes the Zenbook 14 super portable. And overall, the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED is an excellent choice for students who are focused on getting the best value for their money. It has a powerful processor, excellent large display and brightness, outstanding battery life, plus lots of other really solid features to support the student lifestyle. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Next on my list is the MacBook Air M2, my choice for the best overall student laptop. If you're a student that has a pretty good budget and you're looking for a device with a breathtaking display, all-day battery life, and robust performance, the newest Apple MacBook Air M2 is the best laptop out there for you. The Air M2 is so slim, compact, and light that it can be mistaken for an iPad when closed. It's just 0.44 inches thick and weighs 2.7 pounds, making it one of the best picks for an on-the-go student lifestyle. Plus, its all-aluminum unibody enclosure is super durable, so it travels well in your backpack with no problem. Now, when it comes to the display, the Air M2 is nothing short of incredible. The bright and colorful 13.6-inch panel is one of the best with the sharpest colors you can find on a display of this size. Brightness is also terrific, with a peak of almost 500 nits, so the Air M2 is ideal for those who love working outside during the day. Performance-wise, the Air M2 does not disappoint, and even with the base model specs, the new M2 chip will do wonders for your productivity. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB SSD, it can perform flawlessly without a single lag, even with a dozen Chrome tabs open, while also working on a heavy photo editing task. Battery life is almost unbelievable on the Air M2. It's one of the few laptops on the market that can last up to 18 hours with one charge, which is perfect for those who don't want to be constantly charging their laptop. It'll help you look and sound great with its 1080p FaceTime HD camera, a 3-microphone array, and a 4-speaker sound system. Plus, it has 2 Thunderbolt ports, and it has a headphone jack so you can connect all of your peripherals whenever you need to. Apple's Air M2 is the overall ideal laptop for students. It's really portable, it has an amazing display and brightness, and it's powerful enough for your multitasking and entertainment needs. Next on my list is the Acer Swift 5. The Acer Swift 5 laptop is another great option for students. It comes in at midpoint price range, but has a lot of processing power and more RAM and storage than most other models we've talked about. So let's have a look. Looking at the design and build, the Swift 5 is made of aluminum chassis and has been anodized for durability and to resist corrosion. So it is a very sturdy and good quality laptop. Yet it weighs in under 2.7 pounds and it's only 0.6 inches thick, so it won't take up much space in your backpack. Plus, it's designed with dual fans with multiple cooling modes to help dissipate heat and keep your unit cool, a must for long sessions. The Acer Swift 5 has great processing power and storage. It's powered by a 12th gen Intel Core i7 processor and comes up to 16GB of RAM, so you can multitask and run multiple applications without any lag. Plus, switch up to 1TB of SSD, you'll have plenty of storage space for all your files and programs. It has a 14-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen display, which which means that colors are bright and vibrant, and everything looks sharp and clear. The touchscreen is also super responsive, so you can use it to take notes or sketch out diagrams, and the Iris Xe graphics are great for multimedia and gaming. Battery life is always an important feature, and the Swift 5 provides an up to 10-hour battery on one charge, with fast charge support giving you over 4 hours of battery in just 30 minutes. Plus, it satisfies all of your connectivity needs with Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and multiple USB ports. Overall, the Acer Swift 5 is a great laptop for students. It has outstanding power and storage, plus it also features a great display, battery life, and durability. It is a really solid all-around option. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.